Hello, good morning, students. Welcome to Unique Coaching Class. Students, we have started a correlation, and in a previous video, we have solved the first sum of this chapter. Now, today, we are going to solve second sum, which is asked in March 2024 in university exam for 7 marks. So, let's see. Find the correlation between x and y from the given data. Besides, also find the determinant number. So here the new point they ask to find determinate number. Okay, now point શું આવ્યો છે determinate number find કરવાનો છે. So first of all, let's find correlation because they ask to find out correlation. Okay, then we are thinking about how to find out determinate number. So let's see the amount. X and y two attributes are given. Okay, now first, we are going to find out correlation of coefficient. So for that, we have to think which formula we should apply. Okay, so there are three formula. First formula when x bar and y bar are integer. Second, x bar and y bar are not fractional, fractional. And third, value of xi and yi less than 20. Right? This third formula, three formula છે એમાંથી કયો formula apply થશે પહેલા decide કરવું પડશે. So here the third is not possible, means ki all value are more than 20. So third is not possible. So possible is first and second, and it's depend on x bar and y bar. So first of all, we are going to find out the value of x bar and y bar and then decide which formula would be applied, first or second. So to find out x bar and y bar, we have to total this x and y. So let's total them. So total is here 4, 6, 8, and this side 9, 6, 3, and the number of observation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, there are 9. Let's find out x bar and y bar. Sigma x divided by n, 4, 6, 8 divided by, so answer is 52, y bar 107. So here x bar and y bar both are integer, એટલે કે બંને પૂર્ણાંક છે. So here we should apply the first formula. R is equal to sigma x minus x bar y minus y bar divided by in root x minus x bar whole square y minus y bar whole square. Okay, let's put value here. So to find out this, we have to prepare 5 columns. We know very well. First x minus x bar, then y minus y bar, then square of x minus x bar, square of y minus y bar, and multiplication of both. So let's prepare first column x minus x bar. X bar value is 52 and the y bar value 107. X bar 52, y bar 107. So let's start. 48 minus 52 minus 4, 49 minus 52 minus 3, 50 minus 52 minus 2, then minus 1, 0, 53 minus 52, 1, 2, and 3, 4. And y minus y bar 98 minus 107 minus 9, 100 minus 107 minus 7, 88 minus 107 minus 19, 102 minus 107 minus 5, 95 minus 107 minus 12, 125 minus 107, 18, here 13, here 7, and 18. Okay, and remember one thing, okay, I told in every video, that is here 3 will come, 110, 10 in every sum, sorry. In every sum, remember the total of this x minus x bar and y minus y bar is must be 0. ઓકે, બંનેનો ટોટલ ઓલવેઝ કેટલો આવવો જોઈએ? 0 આવવો જોઈએ. જો 0 નહીં આવે તો સમજી લો કે કોઈ મિસ્ટેક હશે. So before start to square of this, just check that the total is 0 or not. Here our total is 0, so it is okay. ઓકે, દરેક દાખલામાં ટેલી કરી લેવાનું, જેથી કરીને ભૂલ હોય તો ત્યાં જ મળી જાય. બરાબર. ચલો નેક્સ્ટ સ્ક્વેરની કોલમ પ્રિપેર કરીએ. સો 4 16 9 4 1 0 1 4 9 16. Now here y minus y bar square, 9 square 81, 49, 19 square 361, 5 25, 12 144, 18 324, 13 169 39, 18 324. Now the next column, the multiplication, 4 into 9 minus minus plus 36, here 21, 38, 5, 0, 18, 26, 9 and 4 into 18, 72. Now let's total them. 16, 9, 4, 1, 1, 4, 9 and 16. Total 60. Here 81, 49, 361, 25, 144, 324, 169, 9, 324, 1486, 36, 21, 38, 5, 18, 26, 9 and 72, 225. Okay. Now let's put value here. X minus x bar, y minus y bar 225, x minus x bar square 60 and y minus y bar square 1486. So here 225 and the root of 60 7.75 and 1486 83 point, sorry, 38.55, 225 1.75, 38.55, so 0.75. So here they asked to find out correlation. It was completed. Now the new point, what they asked, find the determinant number. So how to find out determinate number? Very simple and easy. It is called coefficient of determination. Coefficient of determination, and very simple. It is denoted by capital R square. Okay, you must know this. It's already come in standard 12. 12 માં આવી જ ગયું છે. ને સંકેતમાં શું કહેવાશે? Capital R square. And how to find out? Very simple. Capital R square is equal to small r square. Okay, small r means the correlation of coefficient, just square of them, you will get the answer. And the coefficient of determination means capital R square lies between 0 to plus 1. We know about this small r value would be -1 to +1, but this determination, its value would be 0 to 1. Okay, એનો આન્સર ક્યાંથી ક્યાં સુધી આવશે? 0 થી 1 અને r નો આવશે -1 to +1. So let's find out the coefficient of determinant means r square. Formula is small r square, small r 75, square of 75, answer is 0.56. Okay, so you can see that a normal sum as, if you remember the formula, you can easily solve. Okay, it was asked in March 24 for a 7 marks. Now let's see one more sum which is asked in October 24. October 24 for 7 marks. So let's see. Calculate Carl Pearson correlation coefficient. Okay, here they told that Carl Pearson correlation coefficient means the same point. And also find coefficient of determination, probable error and limit of population correlation coefficient. Now in this paper only they ask this. Find out, calculate Carl Pearson correlation coefficient, and the remaining parts I have added. ઓકે, એટલે બાકીનું જે આપેલું છે find out coefficient of determination, probable error and limit of population correlation coefficient. Okay, I have added myself. એટલે કે ક્વેશ્ચનમાં ફક્ત શું પૂછેલું હતું? they only asked to find out correlation. Okay, they in a paper they asked only for a correlation coefficient, means only R. But I have added three extra things in this question. Which one? The coefficient of determination, just we see in a previous sum. Then another new point, probable error, and the limit of population correlation coefficient. They asked to sorry, here I added three things. So let's see how to find out that. First of all, let's find out this correlation coefficient and determination. Then we are going to understand how to find out this and what is this. Means what is probable error and what is the limit of population correlation coefficient. So let's start. Let's find out correlation coefficient. Sales and expenses given. So sales is X and expense is Y. Here the same. We have to think about which formula we should apply, first, second or third. So if we go thinking about third, for that all value would be less than 20. Here it is not less than 20 all value. So third is not possible. So we have to think first or second. For that we have to find out X bar and Y bar. Okay. So total of X is 490 and total of Y is 360, and there are total 10 observation, n is equal to 10. So X bar 490 divided by 10, 49, and Y bar 360 divided by 10, 36. So here the same point like the previous sum, both are integer, બંને પૂર્ણાંક છે. So same formula, x minus x bar, y minus y bar. In root, x minus x bar square, y minus y bar square. Just for that, 5 column, x minus x bar, y minus y bar, x minus x bar square, y minus y bar square, and multiplication. And here the x bar and y bar, x bar 49, y bar 36. X bar 49, y bar 36. So let's prepare this. X bar 49, 40 minus 49 minus 3, 58 minus 49, it is a plus 9. 42 minus 49, it is a minus 7. 56 minus 49 plus 7. 44 minus 49 minus 5, here plus 5. 46 minus 49 minus 3 plus 3 minus 1 and the plus 1. Same for y minus y bar. 32 minus 36 minus 4. 42 minus 36, the 6. 32 minus 4. 40 minus 36, 4. 34 minus 36 minus 2 plus 2 minus 2 plus 2, 0 and minus 2. Okay. And remember, as I told in a previous sum, you have to check in every sum this total must be 0. Okay. If it is not, then you made some mistake. But here our total comes 0. So now let's prepare this square column. Here 81, 81, 49, 49, 25, 25, 9, 9, 1, 1. This side 16, 36, 16, 16, 4, 4, 4, 4, 0 and 4. Now multiply. Here 36, 54, 28, 28, 10, 10 into 6, 6, here 0 and minus 2. Now total them 81, 81, 49, 49, 25, 25, 9 plus 9, 1 and 1, 2, 3, 30, 36, 4, 4, 5 times 104, 36, 54, 28, 28, 10, 10, 6, 6 minus 2, 1. Now let's find out correlation coefficient R 176, 330, 104. Now here you can do this another way also. How? Just multiply 330 into 104. Okay, on a calculator, 330 into 104. So it will come 342,320 and then take root. Okay, so you will get answer 185.26 and directly you can write here 185.26. So to take root individually you can take root combine also. Okay, અલગ અલગ આપણે જે રૂટ કરીએ છીએ 330 નો અલગ શોધીએ છીએ 104 નો અલગ શોધીએ છીએ તો બંનેને મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરો જે આન્સર આવે એનું રૂટ લઈ લો. So you will get 185.26. You can directly write here and the answer would be same. So this way it's also can be calculated. So answer is 0.95. Okay, now in this question in a paper October 24, they just ask only Carl Pearson correlation coefficient, but I told you here I added myself three things to find out. First, coefficient of determination. So let's find out that. Sorry, coefficient of determination. How to find out? So very simple, we just seen a previous sum. Capital R square is equal to small r. Our small r is 95 square of 0.95. So we get answer 0.90. Okay, clear? Now the question is what to find out probable error. The second thing here I have added to find out probable error. Probable error. It is denoted by PE. So first of all, probable error, how to find out? So there is a formula about that, how to find out probable error. The formula is for the probable error, probable error PE 0.6745 1 minus r square divided by root n. Whenever they ask probable error, just apply this formula. It is the formula of probable error. So let's put value here 6745. Our r is 0.95 and the n 10. 0.6745 here 0.95 square 0.90 minus 1, so 0.90 and root 10 3.16. So final answer we get 6745 point here 0.10 6745.10 divided by 3.16. So we get answer 0.02. So very simple and easy. Probable error, just apply this formula 6745 1 minus r square divided by root n. But one question arise. What is this? Means what is probable error? Okay, find તો કરી લીધું છે, but at least ખબર તો હોવી જોઈએ ને કે આપણે શું find કર્યું છે. What is this? Means what is probable error? Probable error છે શું? Right? We have find out, but at least we must know what is probable error. એ ખબર તો હોવી જોઈએ ને કે probable error છે શું તે એમ. Right? So now let's understand what is probable error. Here I just told you. Okay, you can see that very simple formula. Answer તો મળી જ ગયો છે, but at least knowledge તો હોવું જોઈએ ને કે probable error ખરેખર છે શું તેમ. Find કર્યું છે તો કંઈક તો હશે ને reason, એમને થોડી કંઈ find કરતા હશે. So let's going to understand what is probable error. Suppose in a school uh, there is a exam of maths and science. Okay, maths and science. Okay, now understand. maths and science in a 11 or 12 science, okay, sorry, maths and physics. Now suppose 1000 students give maths exam. How many? 1000 students. And suppose 950 students give physics exam. Okay, 1000 student એ maths ની exam આપી અને 950 student એ physics ની exam આપી. Now we want to find out correlation between this. Now just think, if you are going to find out correlation between this, 1000 students give exam of maths and 950 students give exam of physics. Now when their paper has been checked, okay, લોકોના paper જ્યારે check થઈ જશે, લોકોના marks આવશે, so marks would be like this, okay. Suppose the paper of 100 marks, maths નું paper કેટલાનું હતું? 100 marks નું હતું. So if we are going to suppose here also 1000 physics, okay, both students are same, okay, 1000 student છે બંને maths ની પણ exam આપી, physics ની પણ exam આપી. Now we are going to write marks, here maths and here physics. Suppose the first student, he gets 80 marks in maths and physics, suppose 75. Second student, suppose he gets 90 marks in maths and 92 marks in physics. Third student, here 40, here 45. Fourth student, here 60, here 75. So this way we get marks of these 100 student, okay, like 100 student we get these marks. And suppose if you are going to find out correlation between them, just think, it is possible? Yes, it can be possible, but it's take too much time, right? ઘણો time લાગશે, because આમાં તમે જો column બી prepare કરો like x minus x bar, y minus y bar, just think 1000 student છે, so it would be very difficult task, right? એકદમ અઘરું પડી જશે. અને પેજમાં પણ તમે જે લખશો, I think 10-12 pages maybe જઈ શકે છે આ calculation કરવા માટે. So it would be very tough. But we want to find out correlation. Then what we are going to do? So here we have an option. What? We are not going to consider these 1000 students, but we randomly take 10 students out of these 1000. Okay. Here we are going to take randomly. It is called sample. Okay. Randomly આપણે કેટલા students select કરીશું? 10 students. And consider these 10 student physics and maths marks, and then we find out correlation between them. So it is possible. Yes, it is possible. Clear? So here if we want to find out correlation for whole observation, so it is very difficult, right? Like impossible task. So it would be very tough. So here what we have to do, we take a sample of 10. Okay, આપણે બંનેમાં શું કર્યો? 10 નો sample લીધો, and then we find out correlation. Normally in every sum we do the same things. Suppose here the question is sale and expenses. Okay, so these sales and expense, suppose they are find out a correlation between sales and expense. It is possible they consider everyday sale. Suppose they find out correlation after 2 months when business start થયો પછી 2 months પછી calculation કરે તો 2 મહિનામાં 60 days આવે, તો 60 days ના દરેક સેલ્સ એક્સપેન્સ નહીં લેશે, એમાંથી અમુક સેમ્પલ લેશે, ઓકે, એનું જ correlation find કરશે. So here we have do what? We take a sample, okay, only 10 student, okay, બંનેમાંથી 10 student select કર્યા અને એનો correlation find out કરીશું. It is possible. But suppose just for example, if we also find out this 1000 and 1000 students correlation, suppose just for example જો આપણે એનો બી find out કરીએ, so this correlation and this correlation, tell me both are same or not? It is not possible both are same. Yes, maybe possible, but not 100%. It must be possible. There must be some minor difference. Okay, બંને વચ્ચે કંઈક તો difference આવશે, minor or major, whatever difference would be come between them. Okay, બંને વચ્ચે કંઈક તો difference આવશે. So here the point is, if we are going to find out correlation for this sample and for this whole observation, it is called population. ગુજરાતીમાં કહીએ તો સમષ્ટિ અને અહીંયા neighbors. Get the idea what is neighbors અને સમષ્ટિ? આપણે idea છે જ. Okay, so we take a 10 observation, we take a 10 sample, that is neighbors, and the total is 1000, that is called population, means samષ્ટિ. So what is the probable error? Probable error means the correlation of this population and the correlation of this sample. Okay, just find out that, and if the value of their value of this population correlation and this sample correlation, if there is any difference between them, any difference between them, so that difference called probable error. Clear? એકદમ સિમ્પલ ઇઝી લેંગ્વેજમાં કહીએ, just for knowledge. Okay, this is just for knowledge. You at least understand what is probable error. તો આપણે જે સમજતી છે એટલે કે પોપ્યુલેશન, સમજતી મીન્સ પોપ્યુલેશનનો જે કોરિલેશન છે, એન્ડ ધી સેમ્પલ મીન્સ નીડસ, એનો જે કોરિલેશન છે, બંને વચ્ચે જે ડિફરન્સ આવશે એ ડિફરન્સને આપણે એવરેજ કરીશું. That average calls probable error. Clear? The difference between population correlation and the sample correlation, and we have to take out the average of that difference. જે difference આવશે એની આપણે average કરીશું, એને કહેવાશે probable error. સિમ્પલ લેંગ્વેજમાં કહીએ તો પોપ્યુલેશનનો કોરિલેશન એન્ડ સેમ્પલનો કોરિલેશન, સમષ્ટિનો સહસંબંધ અને નિર્દેશના સહસંબંધનો જે તફાવત છે એની સરેરાશને, એની એવરેજને કહેવાય છે probable error. Clear? Okay, so here now you can at least understand that is what is probable error. Okay, so here first of all I just find out probable error. You can see that it's a very simple, just apply formula, but at least you must have some knowledge that what is probable error, difference between sample correlation and population correlation, and average of difference. Okay, જે difference એની પાછી average લેવાની છે. Clear? Okay, now here look at this formula, probable error. Probable error is denoted by P. Its formula is 0.6745 minus r square divided by root n. Now one more thing you must remember, the following rules can be applied to judge whether the correlation in the population is significant or not. Means કે બંને વચ્ચે જે રિલેશન છે એ સિગ્નિફિકન્ટ મીન્સ જે ઓકે છે, પરફેક્ટ છે, વ્યવસ્થિત છે કે નહીં, તે આપણે ડિસાઇડ કરી શકીએ છીએ. If r less than PE, if r less than P, there is no evidence of correlation in the population. In simple language, there is no correlation. Okay, if r value is less than P, it means that there is no relation between them. And if r greater than 6 PE, r value is greater than 6 P, so it means there is a evidence of significant correlation in the population. Means both have a perfect, means both have a normal, જેટલું જોઈએ જે જરૂરિયાત હોય એ રીતનું એટલીસ્ટ બંને વચ્ચે યોગ્ય બેટર રિલેશન છે, કોરિલેશન છે. If r greater than 6 P. In a simple language આનો મીનિંગ શું થાય છે? If r less than P means there is no correlation. If r greater than 6 P, there is a correlation. Okay, simple બંનેનો મીનિંગ સિમ્પલ લેંગ્વેજમાં આપણે આ રીતે કહી શકીએ. r less than તો correlation નથી, r greater than 6 P, there is a relation between both variable. Clear? So whenever you are going to find out P, just check these rules and write the answer. જે પણ P find out કરો, always આ લખવાની એક આદત પાડવાની છે. So let's check here in our sum. What is the rule? We see that if r less than PE, it means there is no correlation. Okay, if r greater than 6P, so there is a significant, એટલે કે જે normally જે જરૂરિયાત છે, જે યોગ્ય છે એટલો correlation છે, right? So how to check that? What is the value of our r? Our r here 0.95 and our PE 0.02. Okay, just check that. First rules આપણે check કરીએ, r less than P, so r and P. Okay, r say 0.95 and P 0.02. So here r and P, which sign come? Greater than sign come. It will come? No. એટલે આ મેચ થાય છે, નથી થતું એમ. So ignore this, cancel this calculation. In exam, you can also do the same way. First of all, write r and then P. Then write its value, r value 0.95 and P value 0.02. If you put this sign, sign would become greater than. So first rule apply. ચેક કરો, ફર્સ્ટ રૂલ અપ્લાય થાય છે? ના, ફર્સ્ટ રૂલમાં શું હોવું જોઈએ? લેસ ધેન હોવું જોઈએ, આમાં લેસ ધેન નથી. સો કેન્સલ ધીસ. ઓકે, ઇરેઝ ધીસ. નાઉ ધ સેકન્ડ રૂલ્સ ચેક કરીએ, r and 6P. r 0.95 and here what? 6P. So let's find out 6P differently, separately, sorry. 6 into P 0.02, answer 0.12. Here 0.12. Now put the sign. Which sign would become? Here greater than sign form. Look at here, the second rules match. Okay, second rules match થઈ ગયો છે, r greater than 6P. Clear how to calculate? Okay, again I am going to explain which rules here apply match. Okay, કયો rule match થાય છે બસ તમારે એ ચેક કરવાનું છે, first કે second. In normal, in 99 cases second rule match. Okay, દરેક દાખલામાં 99% કેસીસમાં second match થઈ જશે. So first say R and P, just write down R value 0.95 and P value 0.02. Which sign comes here? R is greater than 1P, so greater than sign. First rule match થાય છે, look at here, first match થાય છે? No, first match નહીં થયો, just ignore that. Now second rules, R and 6P. R is 0.95 and 6P, find out separately 6PE. So it would be 0.12. It would be 0.12. Now which sign would become? So here again R is greater than, the greater than sign come. Now here you can see that the second rules match. R greater than 6P. Second rules match. Second rules match થઈ જાય છે. So here we have to write this. ઓકે, એટલે આ રીતે બંને રૂલ ચેક કરવાના છે. હવે એક્ઝામમાં તમારે કરવાનું શું? ઓલવેઝ ચેક ધી સેકન્ડ રૂલ. જો એ મેચ નહીં થાય તો ફર્સ્ટ રૂલ ચેક કરજો. બેમાંથી એક મેચ થઈ જશે કન્ફર્મ. એની વન ઓફ ધેમ વુડ બી કમ્પલસરી મેચ. તો નોર્મલી ઓલવેઝ ચેક સેકન્ડ રૂલ. સેકન્ડ મેચ થઈ જશે, નહીં થાય તો ફર્સ્ટ. And second match થઈ જાય તો it means what? There is a evidence of significant correlation in the population. We have to write the answer. There is a significant, there is a evidence of significant correlation in the population. Okay, there is a evidence of significant correlation in the population. So second topic they asked to find out probable error. It was completed. Now third they asked one more thing, limit of population correlation coefficient. Another what they asked? Limit of population correlation coefficient. Now what is this? Limit of population correlation coefficient. Limit of population correlation coefficient. Here also there is the formula of this R plus minus B. Here the same thing, if I put the value and explain, you will get the answer, but at least you must know what is this, the limit of population correlation coefficient. I just explain you. Here the come to this example again. This was here. Suppose the sample correlation coefficient, normally it answer would become -1 to +1, but just to understand I just take a round of amount. Suppose it is a 20. Okay, actually 20 not possible, but just to understand I just take a 20. Okay, સમજવા માટે આપણે ખાલી 20 લઈએ છીએ. Now suppose the population correlation coefficient, if we are going to find out, so I just told you it is very hard to find out. Okay, if find કરું ઘણું hard છે, but suppose by chance we get the answer 23, just for understand. So now tell me what is the difference between them? Difference is 3. Yes or no? Yes, બંને વચ્ચેનો difference કેટલો છે? 3. That is called what? Probable error. એને આપણે શું કહીશું? Probable error. Probable error means difference between them. Suppose here 17 come. Population correlation, how much? 17 come. In that case, what is the difference? Difference the same. 17 and 20 difference કેટલો આવશે? 3 આવશે. That is probable error. Clear? Here ignore minus and plus and we just want to know difference કે બંને વચ્ચે difference કેટલો છે. Okay, 17 and 20, what is the difference? That is 3. Okay, if here 23, here in this the same case, what is the difference? બંને વચ્ચે difference કેટલો છે? 3 છે. Now I told you to find out population means કે સમષ્ટિનો જો correlation find કરવો it's a very tough like impossible. Okay, no, actually not impossible but ઘણો tough work છે એમ. So here we can find out this correlation in a easy way. How? Suppose you come to know that difference is 5. Difference is 5. Now tell me, you can find out population correlation. Yes, because the difference between them 5. So suppose it may be 25. 25 હોઈ શકે છે. So 25 and 20 difference 5 or 15 પણ હોઈ શકે છે. It may be 15. 15 and 20 નો difference પણ કેટલો થાય? 5 થાય. Clear? So here what we get the answer? The population correlation answer would be 15 to 25. Okay, 15 હોઈ શકે કાં તો 25 અથવા 15 25 ની રેન્જમાં હશે. The answer of population correlation will be in 15 to 25. It is a range. So here we cannot find out, means it's a very hard to find out population correlation, but we can find out it's some limit કે એનો answer કેની વચ્ચે હોઈ શકે છે? Approximately 15 to 25 ની વચ્ચે હોઈ શકે છે. How to find out this 25 and 15? So this correlation means R. What we have to? We have to add this difference. Difference means what? This P. ઓકે, એમાં આપણે શું કર્યું? P ને પ્લસ કર્યો છે ને માઇનસ કર્યો છે. 20 માં P પ્લસ એન્ડ માઇનસ કર્યું તો એના પર એક રેન્જ મળી કે એની રેન્જ 20 to 25 હશે. So that's way this formula would be completed. R plus minus P. ઓકે, એટલે કે R એટલે કે જે સેમ્પલનો કોરિલેશન છે એમાં જે P છે એને આપણે પ્લસ માઇનસ કરીશું તો આપણે પોપ્યુલેશનની જે રેન્જ છે so it is called limit of population correlation coefficient. Clear? So here our R is 0.95 and our P is 0.2. Sorry, 0.02. Our P is 0.02. So now here plus and minus means we have to plus them or also minus them. Okay, બંનેને add પણ કરીશું, less પણ કરીશું. 0.95, 0.95. Here we have to add and also less. If we add, we get answer 97. If we less, we get answer 93. So it means the population correlation answer will be in this range 0.93 to 0.97. So always first you have to less and then add because आपने 97 to 93 એવું તો નહીં લખી શકે ને. ઓકે, આપણે એવું લખી શકીએ કે 50 to 20 માર્ક્સ કોઈ એક્ઝામ આપવા જાય ને એમ કહે કે કેટલા માર્ક્સ આવશે તો એ શું કહેશે 70 to 80. He cannot say that 80 to 70. એવું નહીં કહેશે 70 to 80. પહેલા લેસ નંબર કહેશે ને પછી હાઈ. તો અહીંયા પણ ઓલવેઝ પહેલા તમારે લેસ કરવાનું છે 95 માંથી 0.02 લેસ કરો you will get 93. Now add 95 માં 0.02 add કરો તો 97. So it become a limit 0.93 to 0.97. So here it would be very hard to find out population correlation coefficient, but we can just know its limit approximately. Okay, this answer not perfect. The approximately answer would be between 0.93 to 0.97. એનો answer આ બંનેની વચ્ચે હોઈ શકે છે. Okay, clear? So this way we can find out probable error, okay, and the limits. So in this video we come to know three things. First, what? Coefficient of determination. How to find out? Very simple. Capital R square बराबर small r square. The second new point we learned, the probable error. Just apply this formula. And the third, the limit of population correlation coefficient. Okay, clear? Now next video we are going to solve some new point.